been a while since I did something like this. So, let's do a try-on haul. And I am... My bum! I'm 27 weeks. Actually, ang dami nagre-request like ng maternity clothes, ganon. But honestly, I'm not really buying that much maternity clothes. So, yung mga ito, it's just like mga size up lang. Kaya let's try them on. I have here cute dresses. Recently, I haven't been wearing jeans. Actually, yun yung go-to ko, mag-jeans talaga. I love wearing jeans and a basic white top. Pero recently, I've been reaching out for skirts, for dresses, kaya puro ganon. And let's try them. So, let's start with this very cute pink dress. You know what, guys? A lot of moms are saying that they lost their pink. But I feel like kahit na 30, 40, 50 years old ako, I feel like I will never lose my pink. And I will love the color pink forever. Kaya let's try this out. And then, we got another pink dress. Sobrang cute. Pero kung susuotin ko to like outside, I will always wear a cardigan with this one. Papatungan ko siya ng cardigan kasi my mama milkers are growing and hindi na siya parang appropriate. Kaya, ayan. And then, guys, we have another dress. Diba ang cute niya? It's, again, pink. I don't know, guys. I just really love the color pink. I think it's also because my baby is a girl. Nandali nilang suotin ang breast ko kasi yun when you're pregnant. Init talaga. I don't know why. So, ayan. And then next, we have a knitted top. I super duper love yung mga gantong tops pa rin. Parang it's something na never mawawala sa akin even though, you know, I'm pregnant. And I just love my basic white tops even though a lot of you guys think na sobrang hilig ako sa mga bonging outfit mo. If you see me talaga, hilig lang talaga ako sa mga basic. I need to have this. Next is we have this off-shoulder long sleeve. I really like it because I love yung mga off-shoulder kasi malaki na din yung shoulder ko. You know naman, you need to find the right style for you, for your body shape. Kaya, ayun. Kaya, I really love this stuff. So, ayun. I hope you guys enjoyed these try-on clothes. And I am gonna flash my codes here. Use those codes to get 15% off on all Shein orders. So, yeah. Thanks for watching and let me know if you guys want more of, you know, these kinds of hauls. So, thank you!